Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Ahrefs for keyword research tracking, beginner guide step. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type www.ahrefs.com and press enter. Once the Ahrefs homepage loads, look for the login button at the top right corner. Click on the login button to proceed. You will be directed to the login page. Here, enter your registered email address in the first field. Next, input your password in the designated password field. If you wish to stay logged in on this device, check the Remember Me box. Now, click on the login button to access your account. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the instructions to reset your password if needed. Once logged in, you will land on the Ahrefs dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the interface. To start keyword research, locate the Keywords Explorer tool in the menu. Click on Keywords Explorer to open the tool. In the search bar, enter the keyword or phrase you want to research. Select your target country from the drop-down menu if necessary. Then, click on the search button to initiate the keyword analysis. Ahrefs will now generate a comprehensive report for your keyword. Review the data displayed, including search volume and keyword difficulty. Utilize the provided filters to refine your keyword results as needed. You can also explore related keywords for additional insights. Once you've gathered relevant data, consider saving your findings to a project. To do this, click on the Save button or add the keywords to a list. This will help you track and organize your keyword research efficiently. Now, you have successfully logged into Ahrefs and conducted keyword research. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.